How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iOS 17. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and disable Wi-Fi Assist on your device, as when this feature is enabled, your iPhone will switch to cellular automatically when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on cellular and then scroll down to the bottom. You will see the Wi-Fi Assist toggle button, so go ahead and toggle off the button for Wi-Fi Assist. And if the issue still continues, then go ahead and reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and this is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iOS 17. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.